The house of Imam Ali alayhi salam in Medina was filled with peace and light. But this morning, the air was heavy with sorrow. It was the last day in the blessed life of Lady Fatima Zahra, salamullah alayha, the daughter of the Holy Prophet, sallallahu alayhi wa alayhi. Her body had become frail, her side still in pain from the wounds she had suffered, and her door was crushed. But as always, she rose for prayer. Her lips moved softly in remembrance of Allah.
O Allah, forgive the believers, men and women, those living and those who have passed. Let your mercy embrace them.
Even in her final hours, she prayed for everyone, but not for herself. Imam Ali's heart sank. He knew what those words meant. He gently helps her sit up, preparing some water for her to perform wudu. She then looks at Imam Ali with eyes full of peace.
O Ali, I will soon meet my father, the messenger of Allah. Tell him that I remained patient after him, though my heart broke.
Her wounds never healed. Her strength never returned. The injustice she faced for defending her rights and her father's message broke her body, but not her faith. Imam Ali wept. The home that had been filled with the Prophet's light was about to fall silent. That was the 3rd of Jamad al-Thani, 11 years after Hijrah. The angels descended to welcome the Lady of Light. Following her will, Imam Ali buried her secretly at night. To this day, no one knows her exact resting place, for her grave is a silent witness to the injustice she endured. Lady Fatima Zahra left this world as she lived in it, pure, steadfast, and devoted to truth. Her last words and her hidden grave continue to speak, reminding every believer that standing for justice comes with sacrifice, but it always leads back to Allah.